You are now watching SkyLink's Garage Door Opener IQ Series Part 2. This video will show how to program the wall console. To begin programming, press and hold the program button for 10 seconds to enter the programming mode. First, you will set the travel limits. Press and hold the up button to open the door and adjust the door to the desired fully open position. Then press Set to confirm the up travel limit. Now you can program the down travel limit. Press and hold the down button to close the door and adjust the door to the desired fully closed position. Then press Set to confirm. Next, you will set up the force. A indicates auto adjustment. Press the up-down buttons so A will change to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is the lowest force setting and 4 is the highest. The recommended setting is A. After selecting the desired setting, press the Set button. Now you are programming the downforce setting. Follow the same procedure to select the downforce adjustments and then set to confirm. After setting the limits and force, a remote icon will flash on the display so you can program the remote control. To add a remote, press the up button and the remote icon will stay on. Press the button on the remote control and once the remote is added, the remote icon will flash. To add another remote, you may press the up button again, or to go to the next step, the clock setting, press the Set button. In the clock setting mode, the clock icon will be shown. The clock is displayed in a 24-hour format. Press the up and down buttons to set the clock to the current time, and then press the Set button. Last, we will set the lock timer. The lock timer allows you to disable all remote controls from operating the garage door opener within a specific period of time. The lock icon means that this is the time you would like to start the lock timer. Select the desired time with the up and down button, and then press Set. Now you see the unlock icon. It means that this is the time you would like to stop the lock timer. Select the desired time with the up and down button and then press the Set button. Now there is an up icon flashing on the display. Press the Set to open the door to the fully open position. This is to adjust the open force. Now you see the down icon flashing on the display. Press the Set button to close the door to the fully closed position. This is to adjust the close force. After completing this, you have now finished the programming sequence. The wall console will return to standby mode. Thank you for watching and purchasing SkyLink's Garage Door Opener.